Hello and welcome to the second part in the Bali series with the view from here. I hope you enjoyed the first part where we went to Ubud and to one of my favourite spots close by, Junglefish. If you haven't seen it yet, definitely go check it out. Hello and welcome. Today we're going waterfall chasing. Entering the car park, we were given access to a local guide that showed us around. As you can see, he stayed close by the whole time, helping me up and over when I needed it. He even lent me his thongs, which some people might know as flip-flops, so I could better navigate the water areas. He didn't want me to get my shoes dirty or wet, so he carried them for me, which was very sweet, and he went barefoot the whole way. I don't really know that the thongs had the type of grip that I would have liked, but I just went along with what he suggested, and there were no trips or falls, so it all went well. I was just taking a moment to just breathe it all in and enjoy the scenery. Feeling pretty proud of myself here. I'm standing in front of a beautiful waterfall. How could you not feel good? We found a bar back up the steps along the way, so I decided to stop in, have something to eat and drink. Then it was back on the path towards the second of the day's waterfalls. These photos are not photoshopped. It really was that green and lush. Then it was time to head back up to the car park. Next on our trip, we visited the amazing Hyatt Regency in Sanur. The tropical gardens were a definite highlight here for me. Also the pool area and the cave with the waterfall coming down. With its beachfront position, it's such an incredible place to stay, and I highly recommend it if you ever get a chance to go there. Just out front of the hotel is the walking track, which takes you along the beach. This day we headed into Sanur, and here's some friends we made at the cafe on the beach. As you can see, the water was beautiful, although we didn't go in. Next up was a visit to the beach. We hired some chairs for the afternoon and spent a really relaxing afternoon there. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.